Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. We are here conducting another experiment, and we are going to see today what happens as we test our new pendulums, or the other lengths of pendulums. Before I continue, who can remember what our guiding questions are? Okay, our guiding questions are, what are variables? And how do variables affect our experiment? Last week we tested the, why can't I remember, the 20 centimeter pendulum. And we found out that in 15 seconds, we had 18 swings. Remember, one swing is all the way back and forth. Sorry, forth, you know what I mean. Forth and back. It has to go away from us and return to us in order for it to count as one swing. Now today, we're going to begin by testing the other three variables, or the other three pendulums. In order to do this, I need my tape, my pen to dangle my pendulums off of, and I need my other pendulums. I have all four of them here, arranged in length, shortest to longest. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to predict what will happen to our experiment. What will happen as we conduct this experiment with pendulums of varying lengths, of different lengths. As I get my pen set up on the countertop, think about that. Okay, did you make your prediction? I don't know what will happen, quite frankly, so I suggest we just find out. So 20 centimeter pendulum, we're done with, all done. So I'm going to set it over here to the side. Next, let's back up and do the 12 centimeter pendulum. Now, I took off my watch already, so I have to watch the timer, but I do have a stopwatch here on my phone. So I'm going to pull that up for us. Stick my handy phone. I have a new phone grip, so it'll just stick to the fridge. And I'm going to watch it for 15 seconds. Okay? Remember, as we conduct this experiment, we need to pull our pendulum all the way up parallel to the countertop. Then we let it go. And we count it every time it comes back towards us. Okay, let's begin. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so 26 seconds, or 26 revolutions, okay? 26 swings we received from our pendulum. Now, I need to record my data. So I'm going to put 26 swings on my paper. So if we had 18 swings with this pendulum and 26 swings with this pendulum, as our pendulum strings get longer, what's happening? Think about that as I graph this next point. Okay, let's test our next pendulum. Let's see if we start noticing a pattern. Okay, so this is 36 centimeters. all the way up, parallel to the counter, to hold it out in front of the stove a little bit, but that'll be okay. Okay, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh, now I have a problem. I'm gonna stop it. What happened with our experiment? Right away, almost, we had some interference in how our pendulum was swinging. First, it hit the stove, then it hit the handles on the cabinets. It got tangled in the string from another pendulum. Just didn't work out. And that's not going to give us a fair representation, a fair result, if we leave that stand. So we have to start this one over. So I'm going to move my pendulum, or my pen, over and also out, so that the pendulum can stay away from the cabinets and so that the string won't hit the stove. Now we could run into troubles with the fridge right here too, but there's only one way to find out. Let's do it. Okay, parallel to the counter. We are ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's technically about 12 and a half, but we will call it good at 13 swings. Okay, so then here, as I graph this, I'll graph it with you. Forget all the writing is backwards, the principle is the same, okay? So I follow down to 36 centimeters. Here's 30, here's 40, so I'm going to go just over halfway in between. And I need to find 13 swings. Oh, too far. So my plot point is going to be right about there. Okay. Now let's graph our last one, run our last test at 52 centimeters. Okay, hopefully we don't run into problems with this one. One way to find out. I'm going to hold it out a little bit so that it for sure doesn't hit the handle of the stove on the way down. And here we go. Whoop, right away, already problems. Hit the fridge. See if I can get it out far enough. I'm going to set the sugar canister on it to provide a little weight since it's sticking out so far. And we'll try it again. Otherwise, I'm going to have to move it and you're not going to get to see it. Yep. Okay. So, bad news bears, you don't get to see this one. I'm going to pause it, run the test. Actually, I'm not going to pause it. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to swap my pendulum over here and dangle it off of my trash can. There's no interference here. You're going to have to trust me that I'm doing it right. Okay. Got it taped down just like normal. And I'm able to watch my timer. Okay, so just listen to me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 swings. Okay. So with our 10 swings, I'm going to stop it. I'm going to record. You're going to help me. Okay, so 52 centimeters. I follow down here. Here's 50, so I'm just going to go just past it. And then I'm going to stop right at 10 swings. So right around there. 10 swings, follow down just past 50. Okay. Today, for your assignment, what I want you to do is I want you to analyze our data. What does this graph tell you? What does our information tell you? I forgot to record our swings. I'm really bummed you guys don't get to do this one at school because this is really fun for me. Okay, so here I've graphed it for you. What does this information tell you? I'm also going to draw a line through it so you can see it a little more clearly and see the direction of the pattern, okay? So I want you to analyze that information today. What does that graph tell you? If you're looking at it, if you're paying attention, it will tell you something very clearly. I want to see if you can find out what that is. I'm sorry this video is so long. I'm stopping here. This is all you have to do for me today, okay? Watch the video, analyze the graph, report that information to me. Okay? I'm doing it in an assignment, so you can't see each other's responses. I'm going to be mean. Okay? See you guys tomorrow where we continue this fun. Bye, guys. Have a good day.